No laughing today? Why are you laughing so much?
No, I don't know.
Okay, I'm planning this trip. We didn't look at the calendar that good, and today and tomorrow are Buddhist holidays. So it's a 4-day weekend for everybody. We're going to get on the train today. Yesterday, the train was half full. Today, we showed up at the train station. The place was packed.
Full.
Yesterday, we talked to a lady that has a little stall there, and she knew somebody that worked on the train, so she called her, and the lady sent a picture and said the train is packed. So if we did want to go to this cave, it was about an hour and a half ride on the train, and it would have been standing room only. So that was kind of a fail. We don't want to do that. So what we actually did was we booked a car. We're going to go to Hellfire Pass, the 801 waterfalls, and somewhere else, I'm not sure. So change of plans. Hopefully it all works out, and we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I hope have a good day.
Okay, we just got dropped off at our first stop, which, as far as Lot understands, is a cave.
The sake cave, something like that.
Yeah, but first
I read again.
Yeah, but first we have to walk through all the tourist stuff and souvenirs.
Clothes.
Okay, we're going to take a walk to Crevice Cave. It says about 100 meters. Alright, looks like we're walking across. Oh, you want to walk across or walk around? Or is this the cave?
Yeah, this is the cave. Yeah, we go down here.
Oh, good, because I didn't want to walk across that. Alright, it's a short cave. Oh, maybe not. Does that look trustworthy? Not sure. Looks like a turtle. This part of the bridge is still wood. It's holding up good. Just amazing how much work it was to chop away the side of this hill to get a flat spot to build a bridge. What are you doing?
I shopping the mail box for you because last year, too many years to broke that you already. Now I buy back for you.
I collect mailboxes. I just want to get her out of here before she sees anything else. Okay, we're at Hellfire Pass. We're in the visiting center now. Everything's free. There's a very nice lady that greeted us and said you can how to take the trail, the long trail or the short trail, and we're going to look around. But first, look at this view. Okay, we just went through the visiting center, and you can actually get, for free, a listening device where it'll tell you the story as you go along the Hellfire Pass. It'll tell you where you're at and push the number, and it'll explain everything that you're at. It sounds really interesting. We're going to do it. We're only going to do the short trail. We're not going to do the long trail. They said the long trail could be a few hours, where the short trail is only about 1 hour. Okay, there's stairs involved. More stairs. This is very, very interesting. Very well built. And we were just talking about how it must have been back then when they were building this. I'm sure, well, I know for a fact, this wasn't here. It would have been climbing up and down the side of the mountain. Okay, so this is the old bed of the railroad. And this is what was carved out. In a lot of spots you can actually still see some of the railroad ties. Okay, here's the pass. And I just read something on a billboard over there that said they used a hammer and a drill. A guy would hold the drill, then another guy would hit it with the hammer. This is incredible to think how the hell they did this. Wow. Hellfire Pass. A lot of poppies and memorials here. People have left. Alright, I'm listening to the audio. They said you can see where they use the drill to break through the rock. Alright, here's the part I'm dreading. The climb back up.
Are you ready?
No.
Let's go.
Is this worth coming to? 100%. Very interesting, especially with the audio, where they tell you certain aspects of everything along the trail. It's the stairs, though. The stairs. I've taken a lot of stairs the past 2 days. And it's not even very hot out or humid. I couldn't imagine doing it if it was. But no, I'm glad I did it. Okay, we're on our last stop today. And where are we?
น้ำตกไซโยกใหญ่
We're going to go see a waterfall. It's just starting to rain a little bit. So we'll see what happens. We were going to go to a very popular waterfall that was supposed to be at 7 tiers, but our driver called her brother, who was also a driver. He's there now, and he said the place is packed. And one thing Lot and I have in common is we don't like crowds. Correct?
Yes, we don't like a lot of people. No.
And she said this one's actually more beautiful, but more Thai than
Quiet,
tourist. Yeah.
quiet.
I was told that's the waterfall. Kidding. We got about 100 meters to go. Looks like we're getting closer. They're waterfalls, but they're small waterfalls. Still beautiful, but I expected more. There's the resort right on the river. Check out this tree. That is really cool. Okay, we crossed the bridge and found the waterfall. Now that's what I consider a waterfall. It is nice. Quiet here. Not many people at all. Alright, so we're done for the day
Yes.
and we can go back to the hotel and take a nap.
Yes.
We don't have to stop anywhere.
We stop, baby. We're gonna shopping durian and shopping som-o and shopping rambutan.
Now I have to go shopping. No
Yeah.
more sightseeing.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, yeah, that was the end of another day. Oh, I forgot this is your laughing video. You have to laugh.
No, I just say it's mean already. Let's
Are
make
you-
me laugh.
Are you getting worn out?
Soon, one
Are
out
we-
soon.
Are we doing too much?
Yeah.
We're back at the hotel. We're actually like right next to the hotel. This morning we were talking to a couple at breakfast and they recommended this restaurant. It's on the river, as you can see. It's nice breeze. Tomorrow, I don't think we're going to do the train because the girl that Lot was talking to this morning said it's going to be just as bad tomorrow as it is today. So the driver we had today, we're going to maybe just do a short trip to a couple temples and that's it because, like I said, I'm worn out. Now, the reason it is so busy is because it is a Thai 2-day holiday and they're not supposed to be selling alcohol. But this restaurant is, and I ordered a beer, but they bring it to me in a secret plastic cup, so I can at least still get beer. Now, mine's in a plain plastic cup. Show them your drink.
My thing is
Now, look at how nice that is. But, no, we're calling it a day after this. Watch the sunset over here, have a good meal, and we'll see what happens tomorrow.